Namaste. So we will start. So we will do the lesson. Dane doshaha. Gurureva gatihi gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro. Saraswati namastestu veena pustakadharini hamsavahana marudhe vidyadanam kurushvame. So the story, this is Pata 16 in your Pustaka, Dane Doshaha. So this is actually a story taken from the Bhagavata. So it is 10th Skanda, 64th Adhyaya. There is this Nrigopakhyanam. Okay, the story of King Nriga. It is taken from there. So we'll see the story. So Nriga was a king in the Ikshvaku dynasty. Nrigo nama Kashchana Raja. Tasya Goshthe Bhakyo Denava Asan. प्रजास्विव तास्वपि तस्य महती प्रीतिरासीत्. So Nrigo nama Kashchana Raja. So Raja, his name is Nriga. So there was a certain king by name Nriga. So we will see the Sandhi. Okay, we will see the different padas. So we will analyze few Subantas and what is a Tinganta. Okay, so we will see them. Kashchana. So Kaha plus Chana, Kashchana. So there is Sandhi there. Visargasya Sakaradesha. And Shutva. So Kashchana Raja. So some Raja by name Nriga. Tasya Goshte Bhakvyo Dhenava Asan. Bhakvyo Dhenava Asan. So Bhakvyaha plus Dhenavaha plus Asan. So Bhakvyo Dhenavaha Asan. So there were lot of Dhenu is cow. So he had lot of cows in his Goshta. Goshta is a place where we keep the cows, the cow shed. Tasya Goshte Bhakvyaha Dhenavaha Asan. So Dhenu is Strilinga Pada. So whenever we have a Visheshana, depending on the linga, we use the word. So Dhenu is a Strilinga pada. So we have Bhakvyaha, like Gauri, Gauryo, Gauryaha, Bhakvi, Bhakvyo, Bhakvyaha. Then Prajasviva Taswapi Tasya Mahati Preetirasit. So Prajasviva, Prajasu plus Iva. So we have Sandhi there. So Tasya Mahati Preeti. So he had lot of Preeti is affection. Okay, so Mahati, Preeti against Strilinga Pada. So we have Mahati, which is a Visheshana, Strilinga Pada. So Mahati, Preeti, Tasya Asit. So he had lot of affection in what? Prajasu, in his Praja. And Prajasu Iva Tasu Api. Like the people, he had so much of affection in those Dhenus also. Okay, so he had love for those cows which he had. Like how he had lot of love for his people. Prajasu iva tasu api. So tasu here refers to the Dhenu. So Prajasu iva tasu api tasya mahati preetihi asit. So he had lot of affection for them. Iti artha. Rajni putramekam sushuve Raja nitaram anandam avapa. Mahaniyebhyaha dhenuhu dadau. So Ragni, his wife, Putramekam Sushuve. So Sushuve is from Sudhatu. Sudhatu, Litlakara. Sushuve means she delivered iti artha. So Putramekam Sushuve. So she gave birth to a son. Raja Nitaram Anandam Avapa. So he became very, very happy. Nitaram is very much. So it's an abhyaya. So Anandam Avapa. Avapa from Apudhatu, to obtain, to get. Avapa, Ava is the Upasarga. Ava plus Apudhatu, Litlakara Prayoga, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So Raja Avanandam Avapa. So he got lot of happiness due to this birth of the son. Raja Nitaram Anandam Avapa. Mahaniyebhyaha Dhenuhu Dadau. So this Raja is known for his charity. This Nriga king is very well known for his charity, especially of cows. So when he does this dana, the Godana, he makes sure he gives only a very good quality of cows, which is very, very useful. So he is very much concerned about what kind of thing he is giving as dana. And the dana doesn't it doesn't stop with that. So if it has a calf, he gives them along with the cow, and it is said that he gives a lot of bhushana, he puts lot of ornaments on the calf, with gold, silver, everything he makes all this abharana makes the cow wear all this, and then only he gives as a dana. So that kind of great dana he does. So mahaniyebhyaha. So mahaniyaha. So this word mahaniya. So dadau is litlakara. So dadau he gave iti artha. Mahaniya, if you see, it's aniyar pratyayanta. So mahudatu aniyar pratyayanta, that is mahaniyaha. So the aniyar prayoga we have seen in the last class. So we saw kartavyam, karaniyam, okay, karyam, karaniyam. So that is how we saw the prayoga. This is another kind of prayoga of these aniyar pratyayantas. So where we use them as a visheshana. So we say daniyaha or vipraha, right? Mahaniyaha. Janaha, right? So when you say Mahaniya means he is worthy of respect iti artha. So Mahaniyebhyaha Janebhyaha Denuhu Dadau. So because he was so happy, he gave lot of this cows as dana to all people and to praiseworthy people. Okay, Mahaniyebhyaha Denuhu Dadau. So he gave to, no, it said he gives to lot of brahmanas, right? So he gave here to many praiseworthy people, he gave lot of denu. तन्नगरस्थः कश्चित् गाम् एकां स्वगृहे पालयन्नास्त बन्धात् यदृच्छया मुक्ता सा गौः गृहात् बहिरागता इतस्ततः परिबभ्राम. So now he has given the dana. So तन्नगरस्थः कश्चित्. So tat plus nagarasthaha, tan nagarasthaha. So nagarastha means nagare tishtati iti nagarasthaha. So we say grihe tishtati iti grihasthaha. Nagare tishtati iti nagarasthaha means one who stays in that nagara. Okay. So one who stays in that nagara, tan nagarasthaha, kashchit, somebody. Kashchit tan nagarasthaha, ekam gam swagrihe palayan nasta. So palayan is shatru pratyaya. Because of pathan, right? So palayan, pal dhatu, shatru. Palayan means one who was taking care, one who was protecting. Iti artha. So ekam gam swagrihe palayan nasta. So there was one person in his nagara who had a cow. Okay, he had a cow and he was taking care of it. He was a gopalaka, right? So this cow is nothing but the one which he had previously got as a dana from the king. Okay, so the king normally gives dana to everybody. So this person that we are talking about, this Kashchit Nagarastha, he has actually got this cow from the king some time back as a dana. Okay, so and he was protecting it in his house. Bandhat yadrichaya mukta sa gauhu. So bandha means the bandhana, it was tied up somewhere. So from that bandhanam yadrichaya mukta. So accidentally, okay, so accidentally she released herself. Mukta is again ta ikta pratyaya muchidatu. So mukta sa. So sa is strilinga, the dhenu, right? So sa gauhu mukta sa gauhu. Mukta, one who got released. Okay, tab pratyaya bhuta kalartha, we know that. So mukta sa gauhu, that cow which got released from the bandhanam. Grihat bahihi agata. She came out. Agata is again tapratyaya. So bahihi plus agata, bahiragata. So we have visargasya repha adesha. Bahihi agata sa gauhu itastataha paribabhrama. So pari upasarga brahmadatuhu litlakara paribabhrama. So she roamed here and there. Okay, so what happened? This Raja, his wife gave birth to a son. So he felt very happy. He gave Godana. Now you're talking about some other person somewhere in his Nagara who was taking care of a cow, and his cow accidentally it released itself from the bandhana wherever he had tied her up, and it went outside. Okay, it went outside and he started wandering swechaya. Okay, on its own it went here and there. So tannagarasthaha kaschit gam ekam swagrihe palayan nasta. So asta is asadatu langlakara. Palayan nasta means he was protecting iti artha. So he was taking care of a cow. Bandhat yadrichaya mukta sa gauhu. That cow which released herself from the bandhana, Grihat bahihi agata. It came out of the house. Itasthatah paribbabrama. She kept wandering here and there. Suduram agata. Punaha griham gantum na janat. कथञ्चित् राज्ञो गोष्ठम् आगता राज्ञो गवां मध्यम् अगच्छत् राजा एतत् न अजानात् दानशौण्डः स राजा तां कस्मैचित् महनीयाय ददौ. So now this cow that has come out, so suduram agata sa gauhu. So that cow which came from that person's house, it has come very far. Suduram agata. It has traveled it has traveled a long distance. Punaha griham gantum na ajanat. So agata is again gamudatu a upasargam tapratyaya. गंतुम न अजानात. गृहम गंतुम तुमुन प्रत्यय गम प्लस तुमुन. गृहम गंतुम न अजानात. सो अजानात इज ज्ञाधातु लंग लकार. इट डिड नॉट नो इति अर्थ. सो इट डिड नॉट नो how to return back to its home. Okay, so this calf came out of the house of that nagarastha, and it went here and there. Finally, it has traveled a long distance that it didn't know how to go back home. Suduram agata sa gauhu punaha griham gantum. To go back to the house, na ajanat. It did not know. Iti artha. Kathanchit. Somehow, katanchit ityukte somehow, राज्ञो गोष्ठमागता राज्ञो गवां मध्यम agachat. So somehow राज्ञो गोष्ठम agata. So she came. Okay, somehow she came to the goštha of the Raja. Okay, so the Raja's goštha. There is this goštha where he has lot of cows which he gives away in dana. So this one which went here and there, it finally reached this place. Rajnyaha Goshtam Agata. It came to that place. Rajnyaha Gavam Madhyam Agachat. So it went in the middle of those cows of the Raja. Okay, so there were already a lot of cows in his cow shed, and this went and it was one of them now. Okay, so it went inside his Goshta, the Raja's Goshta, and it was there. Raja yetat na ajanat. So he did not know about this. He did not know that there is one cow from outside which came there accidentally and mingled with his lot which he has kept there for dana. Raja etat na ajanat. Dana shaundaha sa raja. So again here we have sandhi. Rajnyaha gavam, rajnyo gavam. Right? Dana shaundaha. So this is samasta padam. Dane shaundaha, dana shaundaha. So saptami tat purusha. So one who is he is an expert in giving dana, doing dana. He is dana shaunda. So dana shaundaha sa raja. That king, he was known, very well known for his charity. Tam kasmaichit mahaniyaya dadau. So tam gam, that cow, which accidentally came and mingled with his lot, that particular cow, kasmaichit mahaniyaya dadau. He gave it to some worthy person. Okay. What happened? Somebody had a cow which he previously had from the king. So he was taking care of it. It accidentally came out of the house. It went inside the Raja's Goshta, and finally it mingled with those cows there. And this Raja didn't know about it, and he chose that particular cow, Dhenu, to give as a gift to somebody. Okay, so Kasmaichit Mahaniyaya Dadau. So he gave it to some praiseworthy person. Okay. Dadau is da dhatu litlakara. So whenever we have the dana kriya, so when you say dadati or dadau, the recipient, whoever is the recipient of the dana, we should use them in chaturthi vibhakti. So mahaniyaya is chaturthi vibhakti. So mahaniyaya dadau, right? He gave it to that person who is worthy of getting that dana. Goswami स्वगोष्ठे गाम अपश्यन् मार्गमाणः पथि महनीयेन नियमानां ताम् अपश्यत् कुतो मम गाम् अपहृत्य गच्छसि इति तम् अपृच्छत् Goswami. So who is a Goswami? The one who is the caretaker of the Gavam Swami, Goswami. Okay, so this is again Samastapada. So the master of that cow, Goswami, Swa Goshte, in his own shed, Gam Apashyan. So Apashyan is Swagoshte, Swasmin Goshte. Okay, in his own Goshta. So this person, this is the about the Nagarastha who lost his cow now. Okay, so Goswami Swagoshte Gam Na Pashyan. Na Pashyan is Apashyan, Nai Tat Purusha Samasa. Na Pashyan. So Pashyan again is Drishidhatu. We have Shatru Pratyaya. Not seen. Na Pashyan is not seen. Apashyan means not seen. Not having seen the cow. Okay, in his own Goshta. Apashyan Margamanaha. So this Gam Apashyan is adjective for Goswami. So Goswami is adjective. We have two here. One is Apashyan, Gam Apashyan, one who has not seen the cow. Second one is Margamana. So Margamana is again a Kridanta. It is a Shanach Pratyanta. Shanach we have not learned. It's a pratyaya. So Margamana is the form. It is looking like Shanach, right? So this is Chanash. Sorry, Chanash pratyaya. So Margamana means searching iti artha. So this is also an adjective for the Goswami. So one adjective is Gam Apashyan. Swasmin Goshte Gam Apashyan. One who has not seen his cow in his Goshta. That Goswami. And the second one, Margamanaha Goswami. So one who is in search of, okay, Margamanaha means searching iti artha. One who goes in search of that cow. Margamanaha. Pati. Pati is Patin Shabda Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So yeah, Prathama is Pantha, Panthano, Panthanaha. Okay, so Pati is on the way iti artha. Saptami Ekavachanam. Patin Nakaranta Pullinga Pada. Pati on the way, Mahaniyena Niyamanam Tam Apashyat. So finally he saw her. Goswami Tam Apashyat. So Tam is that Denu which he lost. Okay. So Tam Apashyat. Okay. So we have saw two adjectives for Goswami. One was Swagoshte Gam Apashyan. One who has not seen the cow in his Goshta. Second adjective is Margamanaha. One who is searching for her. Okay, so he goes out, he searches, he is looking for her. On the way, Pati Mahaniyena Niyamanam Tam Apashyat. Tam Apashyat, he saw her. What kind of she? There is an adjective for Tam. Mahaniyena Niyamanam. So Niyamana is Ni Dhatu, Shanach Pratyaya, but in Karmani Artha. Okay, so Niyamana Sa. So one who was being taken. Okay, so one who was taken. Iti artha. So one who is taken. So he is going on the way looking for her. At that time, somebody else is taking her and going. So he is seeing that cow which is being taken by somebody. Mahaniyena Niyamanam, by some worthy person. Okay, so Mahaniyena Niyamanam Tam Apashyat. So he saw her being taken along with somebody who is a worthy person. Mahaniyena Niyamanam Tam Apashyat. कुतो मम गाम अपहृत्य गच्छसि इति तम अपृच्छत्. So अपहृत्य, apa and hru dhatu lyap pratyaya. So how come you have stolen it away? So apaharanam is stealing. Okay. So kuto mamagam apahritya gachasi. So once he looks at his denu, he goes and talks to that person who is taking it along with him. How can you steal my? So he thought that person came home and stole this cow and he left. Okay. So he's saying, how can you steal this cow of mine? Mamagam. Kutaha mamagam apahritya gachasi. How come you have stolen my cow? Iti tam aprichat. Okay, so there are two people here. One who received the dana from the king. Okay, and that Denu was nothing but the Nagarastha who lost it. Okay, so the Nagarastha has lost the cow and he is coming in search of that cow. He sees a person taking it away. Okay, so it was actually given by the Raja to that person. That person is unaware that this cow is this person's cow. So Raja gave him a dana and he is taking it happily home. At that time, he is spotted by this person who lost that cow and he is asking, why did you steal my cow and why are you taking it away? Iti tam aprichat. राज्ञा इयं मह्यं दत्ता इति स प्रत्यवादीत् उभौ मिथो विवादम् अकुरुताम् राज्ञः समीपम् अगच्छताम् कलहकारणं तस्मै न्यवेदयताम् राज्ञा इदं मह्यं दत्ता इति सः प्रत्यवादीत् see I have not stolen anything this was given to me by the king okay datta gauhu datta so datta is the pratyaya so dadatu rajnya datta it was given by the raja so this cow iyam ityukte this cow dhenu iyam dhenuhu mahyam rajnya datta so this is passive the pratyaya we know we use the in the passive construction you know we do the passive construction so iyam gauhu this cow Mahyam Datta was given to me by the king. Raja is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay, so Rajnya Yam Mahyam Datta. So this was given to me by the Raja. Iti sa pratyavadit. So he replied. So prati plus vadadatu lunglakara. So avadit is lunglakara. He spoke iti artha. So he pratyavadit means he replied. So that person asked him, why are you stealing my cow? So why are you doing this apaharana? For which he says, no, Raja only gave me this cow, he says. Rajnya yam makhyam datta iti sa pratyavadit. He replied. Ubhau, both of them, mitaha vivadam akurutam. So akurutam in dvivachana because ubhau, two people. So ubhau akurutam, vivadam akurutam. So both of them started the dispute by vak. Okay, so the vivada happened between them. Mitaha means parasparam iti artha. So both of them started arguing with each other. Mitaha vivadam akurutam kridhatu langlakara. We use dvivachanam because karta is ubau, right? Both of them. So we have to use the kriya padam in dvivachanam. Rajyah samipam agacchatam. Again agacchatam in dvivachanam gamudatu langlakara. Both of them went to the Raja. Okay, so both of them first had a vak kalaha. They spoke, asked each other, and then they both went to the Raja. राज्ञः समीपम् अगच्छताम् कलहकारणं तस्मै न्यवेदयताम् so कलहकारणं कलहस्य कारणं समस्तपदं so the reason for that dispute okay so reason for that duel they told it to Raja tasmai nyavedayatam ni plus vidhatu langlakara so there is also a niche there so they informed iti artha nyavedayatam means they inform so they informed the Raja the reason for their kalaha. Okay, so first they spoke to each other. They couldn't come to arrive at a solution. So they said, okay, Raja only gave you this cow, so we will go to that Raja only. So Rajnya Samipam Agachatam. They both went to the Raja's place and they informed him why there is a kalaha between these two people. Kalaha Karanam Yavedayata. Kalaha Mama Ajnanat Utpannaha. Tataha मयैव अत्र प्रतिविधेयम् इति राजा अमन्यत so कलहः this fight this duel मम अज्ञानात् उत्पन्नः अज्ञानं न ज्ञानं is अज्ञानं so because of my ignorance iti artha so my ignorance this has come up utpannaha means uttu plus padadatu tapratyaya utpanna it has come up because of my Ajnana, my ignorance. Tataha mayaiva, maya eva. So therefore, by me only, maya eva, by me only, atra pratividheyam. So pratividheyam, prati, vi and dha dhatu. Prati and vi are two upasargas. We have dha dhatu. Yat is a pratyaya. So I should do something in return. Iti artha. So this has happened. This fight is because of me only. Okay, so I am the kalaha karana. Now I should do something to give a good solution he says atra mayaiva pratividheyam iti raja amanyata he considered or he regarded, okay, so he accepted that he should only do something to for this kalaha because he feels he is the reason, his ignorance is the reason for this kalaha. So manadatu lang lakara amanyata, raja amanyata. सतम अवादीत स्वामिन् येनां गाम् अस्मै प्रतियच्छ तदर्थे अहं शतं गाः तुभ्यं दास्ये इति स तत् न अभ्युपगच्छति स्म. So what happened? Saha here refers to the Raja. Tam avadid. So this is that Nagarastha. So first he goes and talks to the Nagarastha. Tam avadid. So avadid is vadudatu lunglakara. Okay. He spoke iti artha. Swamin yenam gam asmai pratiyaccha. So pratiyaccha means prati plus dadatu. Lot lakara. Yacha is lot lakara. Madhyama purusha ekavachanam. So please give back this cow. Okay, so he's first talking to the Nagarastha. So he says, please give him this cow. I have given us the dana. I cannot take it back from him. Please give your cow to him. Yenam gam asmai pratiyaccha tadarthe. For that purpose, aham shatam gaha tubhyam dasye. I will give you 100 cows in return. Okay, so please give it to him. I will give 100 cows for that. Okay, so for that, just for this one cow, I will give you 100 cows. You can live happily. So he says, tadarthe aham shatam gaha tubhyam dasye. So dasye is ritlakara. I will give. Future tense, dadatu ritlakara, uttama purusha ekavachanam. Sa tat na abhyupagacchati sma. So abhyupagacchati is abhi upasarga, upa is also upasarga. There are two upasargas, gamudatu, abhi plus upa plus gamudatu latlakara. He did not accept iti artha. Okay, so he did not accept it. So one cow, I mean, he says, I will give you 100 cows, but please give this one cow. He says, no, I will not accept it. I don't want 100 cows. Saha tatu na abhyupagacchati sma. Then, Goswaminam Raja Prarthayamasa. Ayi, sa gauhu yadrichaya mama goshte sammilita. Ajnanat tam madiyam manvanah tamaham asmai da adam. Kshamasva tam aparadham. So the Raja Goswaminam Prarthayamasa. Again, he is requesting now. Okay, so he is requesting that Goswami, Ayi sa gauhu yadrichaya mama goshte sammilita. Okay, so this has accidentally happened. This cow has accidentally come to my goshtha. So if you see here, sa gauhu sammilita. So here you can see the usage of ta pratyaya. Right? The prarthayamasa is lit. So pra and artha dhatu. So Raja prarthayamasa. So he requested it artha. Litlakara usage. This sammilita is ta pratyaya. Sammu plus mil dhatu and ta pratyaya. Because the gauhu is strilinga pada, we have sammilita. Gauhu sammilita. Okay, so this is a kartrartha. This prayoga, if you see, it is in kartrartha. Okay, normally tapratyas are used in karmartha. There are other few cases, few list of dhatus for which we can also have a prayoga in this way. So gauhu sammilita. So the cows, this cow, the sagauhu, that specific cow, it has accidentally come to my goshta. It has entered my goshta. Mama goshte yadrichaya sammilita. Ajnanat tam madiyam manvanaha aham. So aham, I, kidrishaha aham. Ajnanat tam madiyam manvanaha. So manvanaha is, madiya is mama iyam. Madiya. Okay, so here it is the cow. So mama iyam. Iyam is in strilinga. So madiyaha we say when it is mama idam. Sorry, ayam. Mama ayam. Say madiyaha. Madiyaha. You can say some word in pullinga. So madiyaha kandukaha. Okay, so Madiya Gauhu. Okay, so Madiya Gauhu, Madiyam Griham. Okay, so you have this mama and yam or ayam or idam based on what you're talking about. So it is my iti artha. So my house, my cow. Depending on that Visheshya, this Madiya should take the right linga. Madiyaha in Pullinga, Madiya Strilinga, Madiyam in Napumsakalinga. So we have Madiya Gauhu. Okay, so tam madiyam. So this is object karma padam here. So manvanaha aham. So manvanaha is shanach pratyaya. So it comes as an adjective for aham. I who considers that this is my cow because of ajnana. This is actually your cow, I know, but somehow she came and she entered my goshta. So, without knowing that, because of my ignorance, I thought it was my cow. Tam madiyam manvanaha. Okay, so madiyam manvanaha is adjective for Raja. So, ajnanat Gam Madiyam Manvanaha. So one who considers that cow as his own because of his ajnana, Aham Tam Asmai Adam. So I gave her to him. Okay, so the I who considers that this is my cow, I gave it to him as dana. Ajnanat Tam Madiyam Manvanaha Tam aham asmai Adam. I gave it to this person. Asmai is, he is referring to the other person. Adam is lunglakara dadatu. I gave iti artha. Kshamaswa tam aparadham. So that is a mistake on my side. I did that mistake. Kshamaswa. So he says he is asking for kshama. Please excuse me. So sham dhatuhu lot lakara madhyama purusha. So he is talking to the Goswami. So he says tam aparadham kshamaswa. So please forgive my mistake iti artha. So he is now requesting that person. See, it came here on its own. Okay, accidentally it has come here. I didn't know that it is yours. I thought it was mine. Tam madiyam manvanaha aham. I who considers that it is mine. Asmai Adam. So I gave it to him. Please forgive me. Kshamaswa tam aparadham. Then tasya arthe shatam gaha tubhyam dasye. Praticcha नास्या अर्थे आग्रहं कुर्याः इति सोऽपि तत् नान्वमन्यत उभौ क्रोधकलुषौ बहिर्गतौ So tasya arte shatam gaha tubhyam dasye. So again and again he is promising, I will give you 100 cows instead of her. Okay, for that you give that one cow to him because I have already done the dana. So you give it to him. For my mistake, please forgive me and I will give you 100 cows. Tasyaha arte shatam gaha tubhyam dasye. Praticha, we have prati upasarga ishidhatuhu lotlakara. Okay, so madhyama purushatvam praticha. So means grihana, take it, grihana. Take the 100 cows, he says. Praticha na asyaha arte agraham kuryaha. So don't be very stubborn. Okay, agraha is don't be so stubborn. Okay, so just don't insist. Please don't insist that it should be given to you. Don't do that. Asya arte agraham kuryaha. Na kuryaha. So na asyaha arte agraham kuryaha. Don't insist or don't be stubborn to take it back, he says. Iti. Sopi tat nanvamanyata. So kuryaha is vidhiling prayoga. So you should not do agraha. So you should not be very stubborn with this cow. He is saying, the Raja is saying. Sahapi tat na avamanyata. So avamanyata, anu plus amanyata. Sorry, anvamanyata. Sorry, anvamanyata is anu upasarga. Amanyata manudhatu langlakara. So he did not agree iti artha. So he did not, the second time also the Raja says, I will give you 100 cows. he doesn't want it. Just like a small child, when they lose one small pencil, even if you give them 100 pencils, good pencils or attractive pencils, they will not accept. They will say, no, no, I want that one which I lost. The same way, this person is like, I don't want 100 cows. I want only my cow. So, sopi tat nanva manyata. He did not say okay. Ubhau krodha kalushau gatau. So, bahihi plus gatau, bahir gatau. So, both of them went out. How? Krodha kalushau. So, krodha is anger. Kalusha is very, very displeased with this decision of Raja. So, actually, it says that both of them will call the Raja as thief. So this person will say, you are a thief, you have stolen my cow. That person will also say, you gave me a dana and you stole it back. So both of them will finally accuse the Raja. That Raja will start feeling that he was accused as a thief. Okay. So krodha kalushau, krodhacha, kalushahacha, krodha kalushau. So angry and displeased, both of them. They couldn't come to a judgment. They couldn't accept anything. So this person doesn't accept and that person also couldn't accept. Both of them finally got angry with the Raja. They were displeased with the Raja and they went away. Bahihi gatau. Kim kartavyam ityajanan shokena dinaha raja mamar. पितृलोके यमः तं प्रोवाच राजन् त्वया सुकृतानि बहूनि आचरितानि परं तन्मध्ये बलवत्तरं दुष्कृतं किञ्चित् अज्ञानात् कृतं कर्म अनुभोक्तव्यम्. So kim kartavyam. So kartavyam kru dhatu tavyat pratyaya. Kim kartavyam. What should be done? Iti ajanan. Iti plus ajanan. Ityajanan. So na janan is ajanan. So janan is shatranta. Nya dhatu shatru pratyaya. Na janan ajanan. Not knowing what to do. Iti ajanan means not the king did not know what he should do now. Iti ajanan. Kim kartavyam iti ajanan saha raja shokena dinaha raja mamara. Shokena, because of grief. Okay. So he is well known for his dana and finally such a issue has come up, when he has done this dana. Shokena dinaha raja, the poor king, mamara, he died. So mridhatu litlakara mamara. So mamara, he died iti artha. So he died out of grief. Pitriloke yamaha tam provacha. So in Pitriloka, so after death he goes to the Pitriloka. There Yama speaks to him. Provacha, pra plus uvacha, provacha. Uvacha is vachidhatu litlakara prayoga. Okay. So provacha, he spoke to Yama. Rajan tvaya sukritani bahuni acharitani. So, O king, acharitani is a plus charida. Acharitam, acharite, acharitani. So, we have the Napumsakalinga prayoga. Tvaya acharitani. It was performed by you. So, tapratyaya karmartha. Tvaya sukritani. Bahuni sukritani acharitani. Means you have done lot of good karmas. Okay. So, sukritam means that which is done very well. Okay. Here it is a good karya. Okay. So, he says you have done a lot of good karyas during your time in Bhumi. So, Rajan tvaya sukritani bahuni acharitani. Param tanmadhye, but in one of them, balavattaram dushkritam kinchit ajnanat kritam karma anubhoktavyam. So he says, you have done lot of good karya, but because of ignorance, okay, not knowing, you didn't do it intentionally, but there was also one dushkarya, okay, one bad deed that you did, and that is balavattara. So comparing the lot of sukarya and one dushkarya, this dushkarya becomes balavattara, becomes stronger, okay. Param tanmadye balavattaram dushkritam kinchit ajnanat kritam. He also accepts you didn't do it wantedly, you did it unintentionally without by your ignorance only. That karma also anubhoktavyam. You have to experience the phala of the dushkarma also. We have done, if you have done lot of sukarma, then we enjoy the phala. Same way, if you have done even one dushkarma, we have to go through that phala. We have to suffer. Okay. So he says, Tanmadhya Rajan, Tvaya Sukritani, Bahuni Acharitani, Param, Tanmadhye, Palavattaram, Dushkritam Kinchit, Ajnanat, Kritam Karma, Anubhoktavyam. So we have Tanmadhye, Tatu plus Madhye, Anunasika Sandhi. Anubhoktavyam. So anu is the upasarga. Then we have the bhujidhatu. Okay, tavyat pratyaya. Okay, so you have to experience the karma phala. Okay, he says. Yama says this to the Raja. Then he says, continues, Yo dattam apaharati sa krikalaso jayate. Ataha krikalaso bhava iti tam anvajanat. So here, this is krikalasa. It's a garden lizard, okay, like a chameleon, okay. So it's a garden lizard. Yaha dattam apaharati saha krikalasaha jayate. Whoever steals what is given as a dana. Okay. If somebody steals something which is given as a dana by somebody, he will be born. For his that dushkarma, the consequences, he has to be a lizard in one janma. Okay. So trikalasaha jayate. Yaha danam apaharati. Tattam apaharati. So apaharati is upasarga hridatu latlakara. Whoever steals, apaharanam, stealing, the datta means that which is given to somebody as dana. Yaha dattam apaharati saha krikalasaha jayate ataha krikalaso bhava. So Yama tells him, become a lizard. Iti tam anvajanat. So here we have lot of kriya padam. So jayate is janudatu, latlakara. Krikalasaha jayate means one who is born as a krikalasa. If you steal somebody's dana given by somebody, if that is stolen, then you have to be born as a krikalasa. So atha krikalaso bhava. Bhava is bhudatu, lot lakara madhyama purusha. Then we have tam anvajana. So he made him understand iti artha. Okay, so he made him understand that there is this suffering for that one dushkarma he made, okay, without knowing. So anu and nyadatu. So he is telling him, you have to be born as a krikalasa. राजा द्वारकाया बहिः कस्मिंश्चित् कूपे बहून् वत्सरान् अवसत् अन्ते कृष्णः कूपात् बहिः उज्जहार. So this Raja takes birth as the Krikalasa, and it is said that he lives in a very dried up well which is very far from Dwaraka. Okay, it's outside Dwaraka and it's a dried well. In that he lives for lot of years, it is said. So kasmimshit. So kasmimshit is some, in some iti artha. Raja dwarakayaha bahihi, outside Dwaraka, kasmimshit koope, in a certain well, okay, in a certain, inside a certain well, bahun vatsaran avasat. So he lived there, okay, he lived there for many years as a lizard. Ante, what happened after that? Ante, finally, Krishnaha Kupat Bahihi Ujjahara. So Ujjahara is Ud, Upasarga, Hridatu, Ujjahara, Litlakara Prayoga. So he took him out. So this is told in Bhagavatam, like, so Krishna's friends are playing somewhere and finally they are very thirsty, so they run around for the source of water and they come to this well. And when they look into this well, they see this Krikalasa there. It is so huge. It appeared so huge that they were wondering how come this creature is very huge here. Let us take it out and see. So they put some rope and all that and they try to take him outside, but they are not able to take. Then they call their friend Krishna. They say, Krishna, come and see here. There is one nice creature inside, huge creature. We will take it out. Then Krishna simply, easily takes it out. So takes it out and he keeps it, I mean, puts him on the ground and his feet once it touches, no, once the chameleon touches Krishna's feet, it gets back its original form. That was the story. So Ujjahara, Krishna took him from the well, that Krikalasa. So Raja Dwarakayaha Bahihi Kasmimshit Koope Bahun Vatsaran Avasat. He lived in the Koopa for a long time. Ante Krishnaha Koopad Bahihi Ujjahara. So he raised him, lifted him out of the well. Krishna himself lifted him out of the well. So Avasat, Vasudhatu Langlakara. Okay. Tat Padasparshat Raja Krikalasa Muktaha Sukritaphalam Anubhavitum Anyajjanma Prapede. So now Tad Padasparshat. So Padasya Sparshanam. Touching the feet iti artha. So Tat Padasparshat Padayoho Sparshaha Padasparsha. The touch of the feet. Tasya Padasparshaha Tat Padasparshaha. So the touch of his feet. Okay. So because of that Sparshana, Raja Krikalasa Bhavatu Muktaha. So he was released from being in the state of a Krikalasa. Okay. So he has come out of that. It's like a Shapa probably. So not a Shapa, but that was a consequence of a Dushkarma. Now he is released from it. Muktaha. So Krikalasa Bhavat Muktaha. He is released. Okay. He is released from or liberated from being in the state of a Krikalasa. Sukrita phalam anubhavitum anya janma prapede. So he took another janma just to enjoy the Sukrita phala. Okay, now he has. So what is told is like Yama will come and ask him this question. Do you want to first enjoy the consequences of your good karmas, or do you want to first go through the consequences of the bad karma? This is the question that Yama tells the Raja. The Raja says, no, first I will suffer. Then I will take the consequences, the karma phala for all my good karmas, so that I can enjoy at the end. So the Raja chose to suffer first, and that is why Rama says, okay, fine, then you become one Krikalasa, because that is that is what is for whoever does the apahara of the dana. So you take the form of Krikalasa and you live. And finally, Krishna comes and he gives release, mukti from that state. And then he takes the next janma for enjoying all the good karma's consequences. Okay. So, tat padasparshat Raja Krikalasa bhavat muktaha sukritaphalam anubhavitum. To enjoy the sukritas now. So, dushkrita enjoy, this suffering is over. Now all the sukrita, the sukarma that he has done, bahuni sukritani acharitani, he told, right? So for that he is going to enjoy the phala of those karma. Anya janma prapede. So he took another janma for that. So muktaha is tapratyaya muchidatu sukrita phalam. Sukritam phalam, sukrita phalam. It's just a visheshanam. Anubhavitum, anu plus bhudhatu tumun pratyaya, to experience or to experience the phala, the consequences of his good deeds. He took another janma. Anyat janma, anyat plus janma, anyat janma. So there's Shutva Sandhi there. Okay. Prapede, litlakara, padhatu. Pra is the upasarga, padhatu, litlakaraha, prapede. He took another birth. Anyat janma prapede, he took another birth. So this is the moral of the story. Na paraswam apaharet ajnanat kritopi paraswapaharaha mahate anishtaya kalpate. Ataha swakiyataya nyayena margena sampannameva vastu swarthe upayunjyat na paraswam swapayogaya adadyat. So na paraswam apaharet. So paraswam, paresham, swam means wealth here. You can take it as wealth. Paresham swam, others' wealth. Okay. So even if somebody has given a dana to somebody, once the dana is done, it is the wealth of the other person, whoever received the dana. Okay. It is his wealth now. Paraswam is paresham swam na apaharet. We should never take others' wealth. Ajnanat kritaha api. even if it was done without knowing, out of ignorance, okay, not if you don't know that, I mean, if you didn't intentionally do also, ajnanat kritaha api paraswapaharah. So paraswa apaharah, okay, so others apahara of paraswam, okay, of others wealth. So paraswapaharah mahate anishtaya bhavati. So anishta is na ishtam anishtam, it leads to misfortune iti artha, okay, mahate anishtaya kalpate, so it leads us to misery, okay. So if even by not knowing, okay, even without knowing, out of ignorance we take wealth of others, that will also lead us to misery iti artha, mahate anishtaya kalpate, अतः स्वकीयतया न्याय्येन मार्गेण सम्पन्नं वस्तु. So vastu is thing or wealth, whatever it could be it a vastra, griha, abharana, whatever vastu, swakiyataya, by one's own efforts, okay, by one's own efforts, nyayena margena, and it should be a dharma marga. You should not put hard work and take somebody or earn money in a wrong way, okay. Swakiyataya nyayena margena sampannam vastu, the vastu that you obtain or you earn, right, using your own efforts and in the right way, in the nyaya marga, tamev sampannameva vastu swarthe upayunjyat. Swarthe means for one's own purpose iti artha. Upayunjyat, you use it, okay. So you can use the wealth or abharana, vastra, griha, whatever it is, you can use it for yourself. You can enjoy your wealth yourself only if you have earned it in the right way and by your right efforts. अतः स्वकीयतया न्यायेन मार्गेण सम्पन्नम् एव वस्तु स्वार्थे उपयुञ्ज्यात्. वस्तु is napumsakalinga, so we have sampannam vastu. So that which is earned in Nyaya Marga by one's own effort, Swarthe Upayunjyat. It can be used for Swartha, for your own purpose. You can use that. Na Paraswam Swa Upayogaya Adaryat. So you cannot use others. Paraswam is others' wealth or others' vastra, others, whatever it is. Others' vastu, don't use it for your purpose. Swarthe na upayunjyat. Okay, so that is the it's like a moral for this story. So upayunjyat is upa yujidatu vidhiling lakara upayunjyat. Anishtam is na ishtam anishtam. So last line we have swapayogaya, swasya plus upayogaya, for one's own use. Never use others vastu for your own use. Na paraswam swapayogaya adadyat. So adadyat is upasarga dadatu. So again dadatu, you should not take, okay, so you should not take it for your own use. Iti artha here. So don't make use of others vastu for your own use is the artha. Okay, so this is the end of the patha. Yeah. So this is the 16th lesson, the story of Nriga Maharaja. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Let me see the books. Which you refer to, I don't find in the course material. Course material. This is lesson number 16 in the Pustaka. Okay, so the entire Pustaka is in the slide. I mean, the entire Patha is in the slide. Whatever lines are covered in the book, they are here. So if you don't have the Pustaka or not able to find, don't worry. So these lines are taken from the text only. What is the name of Raja mentioned in the Bhagavatam? Bhagavatam, the canto is, the Adhyaya is 64. Nrugopakyanam is the name of the Adhyaya. 10th Skanda, Dashama Skanda, 64th Adhyaya. Nrugopakyanam it says. It should be Ajanat only. If you put, no. Malati Bhagini, I don't understand where you're talking about. If you have doubts, you can raise your hands. Minal Mahoday, you have a question?
They are very nicely explained. One question is that when do we lit and lung lakar, those forms were not very familiar to. Maybe I missed out any
Yes, we
lecture.
have not studied lit. Yes.
Okay.
So one clue is lit usage. You will hear the doubling for most of the dhatus like dadau. You have the sound doubling. The two the's are there, no?
But
Jagama.
which kal it is used?
Lit lakara is past tense.
Okay. And
So
lung,
past tense we have
rung.
3 lakaras. Yeah, both lung, lit, and rung. Lung. Sorry. So we have 3 tenses for past in Sanskrita. One is a lung lakara, which is agachat, abhavat, avadat, the simple
Yes, we
form.
know all that. Yeah,
That is
the
ling.
one which
Lung
we
lakara.
regularly use.
Yeah, it's regularly used.
But
So
is
then we
this
have the lit
specifically
lakara.
used in stories? The
Pardon?
lit.
So lit is normally used, say, in the epics, right?
Okay.
So it is like we have not seen it with our senses, but we have heard it from somebody.
Okay.
It seems there was a person called Nriga. It
Mhm.
seems is the artha that it gives. Nobody has seen him. Nobody has seen Rama. Nobody has seen Sita. But our grandmothers say, okay, there was a king by name Dasharatha. Did she see Dasharatha? No. She heard it from her grandmother. So her grandmother used to say, there was a king by name Dasharatha. So
Okay.
he lived there. It was like that during that time. So that past, very long past, okay, which
It's
we have
lit.
not perceived by our senses. We have not seen, not heard, right? So that prayoga, normally they use lit. Again,
Okay.
this is mostly seen in the Ramayana, Mahabharata, or some story, this from Bhagavata. So such places we see lot of lit prayoga.
And rung?
Lung is also past. Lung can be used. So actually, we can also use lung. Lung is anything that was done in the past can be told by lung. Okay. So whatever I ate yesterday, I can use lung lakara. The only problem is the forms are complex. So people don't use it. Otherwise, lung is past tense. It can be, it's a simple past. As in English, we say simple past. Lung is simple past. We can use it for any action that is done, that is completed, whether today morning or it was 5 minutes before. You can use lung lakara, but the form is complex and we don't use it. It is different for different dhatus. There's a generic pattern like we have for lung. We guess the pattern fine, but we can't do that for lung. That's why we don't use it much. Lung is not simple.
Dhanyavad Mahoday. Very well explained.
Dhanyavad. Malati Bhagini, I didn't understand your question.
Bhagini, namaste.
Namaste, Bhagini.
See, in the first part of the story, Raja na ajanat iti asti. It should be na simply ajanat kalu. Na ajanat ityukte
Wait, I will
double.
see where. Ajanat is, it is lang lakara, no?
It is not
It is not shatru. Na janan, ajanan.
Okay.
This is ajanat is shatru, not shatru. This is lang lakara. He didn't know. Na ajanat is he did not know iti artha.
Okay.
Na abhavat, like that.
Okay. Thank you.
Here it is. Na ajanat. It's lang.
Okay. Otherwise, hello?
Bhagini.
Otherwise, if you take simple past, na janati sma, that is correct.
Na
right?
janati. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here they have used lang lakara. You can use any lakara. I mean, for telling the past, it should be in bhutakala, that's all. The story happened long back. So we'll use bhutakala.
Thank you.
That's it. Satish Mahoday.
दादातु ददाति
Bhagini. Sir.
उभयपदी दादातु
Dadatu.
उभयपदी दादातु
Ubayapadi. Yes, dadatu is ubayapadi.
There are 3 or 4 dadatus. That's why I asked.
This is the dana, the dadati, that dhatu. You can take it
Uh-huh.
as a dadati. That dhatu.
बहुवचनं
Dada
किं?
in dane. Huh?
बहुवचनं ददाति बहुवचनं किं?
Dadati iti. That's again a Vishesha dhatu. So it doesn't take form like bhavati or something. Dadati, the plural is dadati iti bhavati.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
धन्यवादः. Namrata Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
In the very next slide,
Hmm.
apashyan is the dhatu is used. Yes.
Hmm.
So goshte gam apashyan. Here you said it is a shatru pratyanta, but
Hmm.
it can also be a lang lakara tattam and Dvitiya Purusha Bahuvachan. So based on the context, we'll decide whether it is a lang
So you're
lakara.
asking if this is a Kriya Padam. Apashyat, apashyadam, apashyan. You're asking
Yes,
about that, right?
yes, yes,
So,
yes.
looking at, see if the, good question, Bhagini. So, this is Drishadhatu Shatru. So, the same form is for Drishadhatu Lang Lakara Bahuvachanam. Okay, as a Tinganta. So, how do you know whether it is a Kridanta or Tinganta? Look at the sentence, who is the Karta? Here it is Goswami. So, the Karta is singular. So, if it was a Kriya Padam, it should be Apashyat. Goswami
Yes.
Apashyat, you can say. The Goswami saw, right? So here, Apashyan is not in Bahu, it is in Bahuvachanam, which means it is not for the Karta. So it cannot be the Kriya Padam. Here it is a Shatranta. It is a adjective for Goswami.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So based on the sentence only, we'll decide.
Based on the
what it is.
context, yes, wherever you can see Rupas, Kridanta, and this is a Kridanta as well as a Tinganta, right? Apashyan is a form which can be Lang Lakara Bahuvachanam, a Tinganta, or it can be Na Pashyan, Apashyan, a Kridanta also. So from the context, we should try to understand. So Apashyan, it can't be a Kriya Padam because you need a Bahuvachana Karta then. Right? If you have to use
Okay.
Apashyan as Kriya Padam, Te Apashyan, you can say they saw. Here you
Hmm.
don't have a plural karta, so it is definitely not a kriya padam. And apashyat is already here. That is also there. The apashyat is also given here. So you will not use to apashyat. No, Goswami niyamanam tam apashyat. So there is a sentence. So first we will try to find out in any sentence, find out who is the karta, what is the kriya padam. Goswami apashyat. If you shorten this sentence, Goswami apashyat. Then put the karma pada. What did he see? Niyamanam tam apashyat. Okay, then Mahaniyena Niyamanam tam apashyat. Where did he see? Pati apashyat. Then what kind of Goswami? Swagostegam apashyan margamanaha. Okay, so one who didn't find his cow in his cow shed and one who is looking for her, searching for her. Iti artha.
Okay.
From the
I got it.
context, you should understand. Dhanyavada.
Yes. Yes. And one more question I have in the next slide, that
Ah.
kshamasva tam aparadham.
Hmm.
In that sentence, what is this tam?
Tam is that mistake. So tam is a sarvanama. So saha taute tam tautan. Saha
Okay, for that
aparadaha tam
mistake.
aparadam shamasva. Please forgive that mistake that I made.
Okay.
It's an adjective for the mistake. It was
Okay.
my
Yeah.
ignorance.
That.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Astu.
Yeah. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavad. So if there are no other questions, then we will stop here. We will meet on Friday. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. So there was one exercise in the pustaka about this lesson is like translate it into English. Okay. So you can do it on your own. Now that you have understood, you can translate the patha in English. हाँ, अभिलाष महोदय. You have a question? Abhilasha Gupta.
Hello, Mahoday. Namaste. Mahoday, you keep referring to this book for exercises, for different lessons, and where do I find this book? I want to read, actually.
It's a Tamil book, Bhagini. So will you be able to read
Oh,
Tamil?
No. I'm
So
sorry.
that is why I have put everything on the slides only for the sake of you people. Each word
Right,
from the
right.
pustaka is taken and put on this slide. So don't worry that you don't have a pustaka. Keep these slides as the pustaka. They have
Right.
everything, whatever is covered in the pustaka is on this slide.
Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad.
Namaste.
Thanks a lot. Namaste. Thanks a ton. Thank you.
So we'll meet on Friday. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.